In this video, we will learn how to create farm and field names, as well as draw in boundaries with interior boundaries and multiple polygon boundaries. To start, we need to right-click on the client name, then left-click on Add Farm, then give your farm a name. Left-click on Add. Once we have that farm added, find it in the management tree, right-click on the farm name. If you would wish to rename your farm, left-click on Rename, as I misspelled mine. Left-click on Rename. To add a field to your farm, you can right-click on the farm name, left-click on Add Field, give it a name. Left-click on Add. To draw your boundary, left-click on Draw Boundary. To scroll in to the field, you can either use the plus or minus in the top left of the screen, or you can also use your scroll on your mouse to scroll in. To navigate in the map, we can either use this navigational arrow at the top left, or you can use the up and down, left and right arrows on your keypad to navigate around the map. To start drawing your boundary, you left-click with your mouse. Keep left-clicking at each vertex you would like to place on the map to create your boundary. Keep in mind also that it is a requirement of the software to have a boundary for any as-applied data to come in. If your as-applied data is outside of your boundary, it will not come into the software. So now I'm going to scroll to the right with my arrow pad to continue drawing in the boundary of my field, and scroll down with my arrow pad on my keyboard. Continue left-clicking until you get all the way around your field, and whenever you're ready to finish or close the polygon, you right-click and left-click on Close Polygon. You can get the area before you save the polygon if you wish to do that. It will tell you how many acres your boundary or polygon is. Then when you're ready to save, left-click on Save. The next thing we're going to do is draw an interior polygon such as this pond. To do this, after we have our boundary made, we left-click on the field name, left-click on field boundary. Back at the top right, we right-click on exterior polygon 1, left-click on Add Interior Polygon. Then I'll scroll in with my mouse. Get your mouse where you would like to begin your polygon and start left-clicking. When you are finished, to close the polygon, right-click and left-click on Close Polygon, left-click on Save. Then it will cut out your interior polygon and subtract the acreage from your boundary. To add an additional field or boundary, just above exterior polygon, left-click on Add. Once again, scrolling over with the arrows on my keyboard and scrolling in with my mouse, I will get to a point with my mouse where I want to begin my boundary and start left-clicking. Once I'm ready to close my polygon, I will close it by right-clicking and left-clicking on Close Polygon, then left-clicking on Save. And now I have 2 exterior boundaries with 1 interior polygon. That ends it for this video. In this video, we have learned how to create a farm and field name and create exterior and interior polygons.